Here's the mini tutorial for making straw toppers. I go to tinkercad.com and you're going to open up a new session. Just hit create and then do 3D design. And then it's going to open up a blank area for you to start designing. We're just going to do a basic shape. We're just going to type in heart. And right now we're not worried about trying to do a design or anything on there. We're just going to do the basic shape. So we're going to choose the first heart, which is the brown one. And we're just going to drag it over to our board. Most straw toppers are like maybe 15 or 14 millimeters. I just use 14. So you're going to hit that button in the middle. It changes the height to 14. See how it got a little bigger. And then what we also need to do is make sure that we have the section for our hole. So we're going to go out of this and then we're going to do the cylinder because that's where the straw is going to go. Now, certain straws have different sizes. So if you're using the straws for the Stanley cups, those are usually like 10 millimeters. But like some of the regular ones are 8. For this one, we're going to do 10. So what we have to do is make sure that we're putting it on the right size. So what I'm going to do is make it taller because it's going to have to go from one end of the heart to the other. That way you'll have a full straw topper. And again, the middle changes the height to go up and down. Now this part, you have to make sure that you're using 10 on each side because I have done it where I did 10 and then the other one was like 9 point something and it gives you an error when you go to slice it in your slicer. So just make sure that it's an even circle and you can check by just looking at the corners of the dimension of the cylinder. I always put my snap grid on 0 just so I have a little bit more like control over it. And then what we're going to have to do now, we're going to have to rotate it. So there's a little button at the top and sometimes it's hard to find, but you want to rotate it back so it's flat. Now you see that it's kind of just sitting in the air. I don't know if you can see that, but it's sitting in the air. We want it flat to the artboard. So what we're going to do, you can either hit D and it'll flatten it down, or you can just hit that button over there and it'll flatten it down. Just click it and then you see it went back to the board. So now we're going to have to rotate it again because we want the straw hole to be at the top part of the heart and then ending on the bottom part of the heart. So again, we're going to have to rotate it. And you can see that there's 3 different arrows. There's one at the top, there's one on the left, and then there's another one that's on the right. So you just have to pay attention to which direction it's telling you it can go. So we want to do making it vertical. So we have it vertical now, and then we're just going to change the degrees to 90 just so we have it nice and even. So you have to be careful when you're moving it over because it will change the shape. So you have to make sure you're just dragging it, not from any of those black points on the end or some of the white points on the end. That way you're making sure you're dragging it to the correct way. Now you see how it's flush with the straw topper. You don't want it that flat because then it's going to be, it's not going to print right. So it's going to give you an error probably too. So we're going to have to move this up and we need to center this. So the hole needs to be centered with the middle of the heart topper. And then you do this by hitting the control key and then pushing your arrow key up. And then you can kind of eyeball measure it. But there's also a button up there. That's how you can align it. So if you select both the hole and the heart, and then you select the middle button on the side, and then you also select the middle button on the right side and then the left side, and then you're going to do the one that's on the middle. That way they're all aligned. And if they're not highlighted, like see how it's grayed out, that means that they're aligned. So it's aligned in the middle, on the side, and on the front side of it too. So now you're going to group the shapes together so that it can come one piece. So you're going to select both the heart and the hole, and then you're going to press the button that's at the top. This will group everything together. When it's showing a red line, that means it's thinking, and then once the red line's gone away, it has it where it's now one shape. So you can see the hole is straight through the middle. There's no overlapping or any gapping, anything like that. And then with your shape selected, you're going to hit export. You're going to export it as an STL. Then if you have Bambu Studio, which is what I have, you're going to import it there. So we're just going to save it, whatever name. Now you're going to open up Bambu Studio, and then you're going to do new project. That way you can add the heart that we just did. You're going to click the first button that says add, and you're going to find your file. It should be an STL that you created in Tinkercad. And one thing I forgot to do was to make it bigger. So most of the time For straw toppers, they're usually about 43 to about 45 millimeters. Either side one way, doesn't matter. As long as one side of it is 43, of course, it'll scale to whatever it needs to be. So I'm just manually moving this one up to make it a little bigger. So I think I did about 45 to 42 in millimeters. And then you're going to hit slice play. It should say slice okay. If you get an error saying something about it's not, you may need tree supports or some type of supports, it's probably because of the hole wasn't fully developed on there. So remember I was talking about how if you did like 10 millimeters and you were off on one side of the hole, then it'll give you that error. And then you can just go through and hit print and then whatever color you want it to be. And then that's it. So you can get a little bit of practice on how to do the